Hi there, this is Celeste Woodside, brand strategist at Helium Strategic. In another video, I showed you how to build a Squarespace website start to finish, and this is a little breakout video from that video. I wanted to show you how to build an accordion menu on a page in Squarespace, but I didn't want that section to take up time in the other video, so I wanted to just step out and do it here in a separate video for you. So let's take a look. So here's the website we've been working on. We currently have a services drop-down menu, but Jessica doesn't want her potential clients to have to spend too much time clicking around to try to get the information that they're looking for. So we are going to go ahead and put an accordion menu on the main page that lists out her services. So here we are on the main page, and you'll see that if we click edit, we can add a section here in between the header, this title section, and the footer. So we're going to go ahead and add a section, and I am going to move me out of the way. And we're going to do it as a blank. And for now, I want it to have a white background. And we're going to click on the plus sign, and it'll bring up the menu of all the different things we can add here at this plus sign. So I am going to scroll down and choose accordion. Now you'll see it has a couple of sample items in here, but we're going to go ahead and start popping in Jessica's services. So if we go over to the page that we are working off of to change and click on services, we'll see she has several services here, the pricing, and then when you click for more information, there's a description of each service. So we're going to put all that in the accordion. So let's grab the first service. And we're going to go into this first accordion item, and we're going to change the name to therapeutic massage. We're going to grab her rates, and we're going to go back in here and put those in here. And then finally, we're going to grab her service description and put that in here as well. And I got a little too much space here. Now we're going to go back, and we're going to change the second one, manual lymphatic drainage, grab her rates, all right, so that looks good, and then we're going to click for more information. I'm going to grab it all for now. We might change it later. And I'm going to put it in. And then let's just add in one more. She has several more services, but for the purposes of this video, we'll just do 3 so that you can see how the accordion looks and functions. Okay, so now we have 3 accordion items. We can add a 4th accordion item by clicking add item and just go through the same process. For now, I'm going to take that one out. We can look at design. So the title size right now is a heading 4, and we can change it to make it bigger or smaller. I think heading 4 is actually perfect. We could center them if we wanted to, right, justify. I like them over here. Then the description, paragraph size can also be changed. Paragraph 2, paragraph 3. Again, paragraph 2 seems perfect. We can change the width. And the padding, which is the space above and below. I like it at medium. We can justify it, and then change the placement within the block. but I like it exactly where it is. We can automatically expand the first item so that when a user comes to the page, that first item will automatically be open. We can allow multiple items to open. So what this is when someone, we'll check it for now and I'll show you. If they open one and they open another, they both stay open. If you leave that box unchecked, now when you open one and go to open another, the first one will close. And I like it that way. So let's see what else we have in here for design settings. Dividers are on. Those are these lines in between. You could take them out, but it looks better with them on. This is showing the line at the top or showing the line at the bottom. So we could turn off the top line. Kind of like the way that looks, but we'll leave the bottom line. Thickness is the thickness of the lines. I like them thin. Opacity is the opacity of the lines. So we can make them really light, which I kind of like the way it looks when it's light. Let's do kind of medium. So now if we preview our site on the main page, we have an accordion menu that lists the services and the pricing. So this makes it easy for someone on the site to get the information they need fast without having to click around. Right now, this drop-down menu is still here, but I'm actually going to go in and change it so that this links to this section. And I can show you how to do that in another video. But for now, I just wanted to show you how to build an accordion in Squarespace using Squarespace's accordion functions. So that's all for now. I hope that was helpful. Drop any questions you have in the comments below or anything else that you'd like to learn about with Squarespace. I'd love to be a great resource and make videos helping you out. Thanks again.